Today, I'm a race car driver. Marisa Polanski. Pictures by Maxine Lee. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm a race car driver. On Monday, I washed my race car. I want it to be the shiniest car on the track. Hose, sponge, bucket of soapy water, cleanser, wax polish, finish line. On Tuesday, I meet with my pit crew. We figure out how to make my car go even faster. Binoculars, walkie-talkies, stopwatch, oil tank, brake pedal, gas pedal, whistle, brake sign. On Wednesday, I try on my racing suit. I have lots of fancy gear to keep me safe. Gloves, fire extinguisher, visor, helmet, sunglasses, microphone. On Thursday, my pit crew checks my car. Driving a race car is dangerous, so they make sure everything is working properly. Power drill, wrench, toolbox, gas, tire pressure gauge, jack. On Friday, it's press day. Reporters ask me questions about my secret plans to win the big race. Newspapers, microphone, voice recorder, video camera, pencil and pen, notebook. Saturday is exciting. Just one more day until the race. I drive practice laps on the racetrack. Checkered flag, popcorn, hot dog, speedway, crowd, announcer. On Sunday, it's race day. There are lots of good drivers, but there is only one winner. Me. Trophy, balloon, wreath, flowers, confetti, reporter, fans. The end.